Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Happy holidays and everything. I know we're back into 2021. Hopefully this year is better. So yeah, I need to kind of like just chill because I haven't filmed in a really long time. So I feel a little stressed. So let's see how things go, I guess. But alright. Enough of me just talking nonsense. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Don't leave me. I'm not that bad. Just kidding. But anyway, give this video a thumbs up, and I guess let's get started with this haul. Alright, first things first, maybe I have a couple bits of everything. So like this is like a haul from some things that I bought, I received for Christmas, for my birthday, so it's kind of just like big mess of everything. Alright, so let's start with the skincare, I guess, since that's like the first step of the face. I got the Ordinary cleanser right here. Let me show you guys on the camera. It's a little dark in here. This right here is the cleanser. Really excited to try this out. I heard really good things about the Ordinary brand, so I want to try out the cleanser. And then another thing that I got is the peeling, the AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution, 10-minute exfoliating facial. So this is it right here. This is it right here. I already tried this actually the other night. I couldn't wait to actually try it. But dude, it works so good. Like my face, like I have a lot of like bumps on my face and on my forehead, especially a lot of like texture. And this, it honestly got reduced at like 50%, you know, and that was just the first time like I used it once, which is good. Alright, another thing that I got is the retinol 0.5% facial oil. This is really good for reducing wrinkles. It's like water-based serum, and yeah, it's really good for if you have like a lot of texture on your face and like signs of wrinkles and like aging and stuff like that. So excited. I already used these two and they're good. Didn't try this out yet because I'm trying to use up the other one that I have. But yeah, super psyched to use this. Then I got this Formula 1006 or whatever the fuck they're called, lip balm. I actually tried it once the other day. It's pretty good. And it's rosehip oil and cocoa butter. And then I got this Tony Moly Cat's Perfect Night Mask. Oh my god. Guys, I honestly just kind of got this because, you know, the packaging was too cute. And it had a freaking cat on it. Like, tell me who wouldn't want to buy this? It has a damn cat on it. Like, it's so cute. You know? And then another thing that I got is the same brand, actually. Tony Moly. I think it's like a Japanese skincare brand. But this was like a little set. It was actually, it's $18 value. $14, but I got it on sale for I think $6, which is pretty cool because when you open it, it actually comes with 2 hemp face masks, which these by itself are like $4 each. Repair mask, which usually like these travel sizes last me a really long time. Because I just have so many face masks, so I'm not going to ever really run out. And then this hemp cream, which is for your hands. And yeah, that's in that. And then I also got this Burt's Bees Micellar makeup removing towelettes. I never actually tried these, and my mother-in-law, she actually got these for me in my Christmas stocking. So this was really sweet of her. Thank you so much. I actually love using these, you know, like makeup removing wipes. So, and these are really good. Thank you. And then for the hair, I got these two Maui Moisture Hair Care hair masks for like super damaged hair, because I do bleach my hair and use Arctic Fox actually. So like my hair tends to get sometimes really like dry, and like lately I stopped using my vitamins, and ever since I stopped, my hair started falling out. So I have to start actually using that again, because I don't want my hair to fall out, you know? You just feel me, I guess. And then I also got the Arctic Fox hair dye in Sunset Orange, because at the moment I did like half the Sunset Orange and then the other half was Poison, I believe. So I did like a split thing for my hair. Right now it's not really split, I guess. Let me fix it. This is slightly better, I guess. But yeah, I love Arctic Fox. This is the only hair color that I used after I like touch up my roots with bleach and whatnot. So yeah, I love this. So that's all for hair and skincare. Now, I guess we can start with the fun part, which is, you guys know, makeup. Alright, so first thing that I see right here, actually, is this Morphe brush set that I got. And this was originally $29. And bitch, guess what? I got it for $20, I believe. Yeah, it was $20 exactly. It was like $20 and like 17 cents or some shit. And then this is like a 10-piece eye brush set. It has a cute packaging, pink. I have so many of these, but I don't really use them, to be honest. I already used like half of these brushes, so they're a little dirty, so excuse that. But these are the brushes. They're like gold, as you guys can see. Really pretty good quality, and they're super soft on my lids when I use it. So that's one of these. Let me show you close up. But yeah, they're pretty good quality, and especially for 20 bucks, like, can't beat that. I mean, especially for Morphe. Like, their brushes are affordable as it is. So, like, I love when you can get, like, a set like this for super cheap. Alright. Let's get crack-a-lacking. Why did I say that? That's so corny. God. Alright. So, another thing that I got is this ColourPop brow gel. This is literally the only brow gel I'll use. It's like, I think like $6, which is $6 or $9 or something like that. It's super fucking cheap and lasts a long time. That's what I have on my eyebrows right now, if you guys can see. I know this lighting is kind of crappy. I'm still trying to figure that out. I want to do like whatchamacallit, put like another light in here, because this one doesn't have a bulb. It doesn't work, so that's probably why it's a little dark in here. But just hang with me and we'll work on it. But yes, love this brow gel, so I have to get another one of these. Then I got this NYX jumbo eye pencil in white. I think it's like called Cottage Cheese. Yeah, Cottage Cheese. Every time I try to do like different FX like makeup looks, do like a different FX makeup look, I never have a white pencil to actually like do the white parts with, so I always have to struggle with the eyeliner and like, not eyeliner, concealer, like super white concealer and white eyeshadow. So I feel like getting a white pencil that actually works, that's not like a cheap like you know, like Walmart little kids toy like makeup thing that I got for Halloween. This actually is gonna work, and yeah, I'm kind of excited to do more crazy effects makeup look. It's so much fun. I don't know if you guys seen the weed one that I did for 420 last year, and then I did what was it, it was like the creepy clown. I did a bunch of different like looks, or the steampunk one. That was my favorite. Oh, or the creepy Ariel. I'm gonna like show all these pictures so you guys can see the different ones that I did. And if you want, follow me on Instagram, which is Simi_Violet, if you want to see more of looks like that. So yeah, enough of me talking shit. Creepy, creamy. And honestly, it's kind of dupe for like the Tarte tape shape, but like even better. So I got one of those in a shade, just in case you want to know, Fair Beige. And then this right here, I was surprised it was actually on sale for $14, and I think the original price is $29, which I would not want to pay $29 for a damn concealer when this bitch is like $6. You know what I mean? And it works good. And yeah, I got this in Fair Warm. I already tried this, and like, it's not bad, but I'm kind of mad that I even paid $14 for it. You know what I mean? So I definitely wouldn't fucking want to get this if it was $29, if you know what I mean. I'm sorry. And then I also got the Wet n Wild Define Black eyeliner. You know what? I thought I was getting the e.l.f. one when I ordered this. I forgot that it was Wet n Wild, and I don't really like this. Like, I don't know. Like, the one that I had before was amazing. But this one right here, I don't know what the fuck is wrong with it. It's just like, it's not that it, like, I think it's the applicator. It doesn't want to go on my lid, like, nice and smoothly. Like, it gives out those little, like, lines. So, I don't know. I don't know how I feel, but I'm obviously going to use it up because I bought it. So, like, duh. And then another thing that I got is the Duo Lash Glue. I forgot what the fuck it is called, guys. Oh my god. I'm so obnoxious today. This is the Duo Lash Eye Glue. My favorite. It has aloe vera in it. I only get the green one. That's the only one that's, you know, it has like vitamins A, C, and E, and dries invisible. It's white and clear, and it's the only eyelash glue that doesn't irritate the shit out of my eyes, which is a good thing. Alright, now next to the eyeshadow palettes. Ooh, eyeshadow palettes. Alright, I have the 35C Morphe Everyday Chick eyeshadow palette. You know, in the picture it didn't look as pretty, but in person, I already tried to, actually I used this today for this eye look. I used the, like, these dark greens, and see, that's for the eyes. That's what I have on right now. But yes, look how pretty this is. And it was, I believe, like $25, which is pretty cheap for like a big ass palette like this. I'm not complaining. And then obviously I have to pick up the second volume Jaclyn Hill Morphe eyeshadow palette. I've been wanting to get this since the release date, but every time, for some reason, I just kind of like forgot about it. But I really wanted it. I already used a look with this on New Year's. So if you want to check that out, check out my Instagram, which is Simi_Violet. So yeah, this is the eyeshadow palette. Gorgeous, right? Clothing, Morphe. Call me. God, someone please. Alright, so this is the palette. It's good. I like it, actually. Like, I'm impressed with it. The colors are really pretty. You just gotta remember, all Morphe palettes, though, you gotta work with them specific way. If you don't really know how to work with pigments, be careful or watch some tutorials on how to do it, because it's not gonna blend right. You gotta be careful. That's my only thing with those. But I feel like by now everyone kind of just knows about like the pigments in certain shades. So that was just my only warning. And then one more thing that we got. Actually, no, two more things. I got this ColourPop Ornate pressed powder palette. This is really pretty. And I used some of my points for it, and I literally got this for $4 of my Ulta points. But it's really pretty. I like the yellows. I love every single ColourPop eyeshadow palette. My favorite. I love them. Please send me PR. I love you guys so much. And then I have the Morphe 8F Fair Play Complexion Pro Face Palette. So this is pretty much like a bronzing kit. That I have that. I'm actually wearing that today. The highlight, the blush, and the bronzer. It's like a typical Morphe packaging. It has a nice mirror, and those are the colors. It's really pretty. And for the price, you got a whole bronzer, blush, highlight. Bitch, why not get it? It's good. You know, highly recommend. I actually do sincerely like it, because I hate like buying separate bronzer blushes. Like I like actually having the kits and having everything together, so then I don't have to, you know, go back and forth. It's just so much easier. And then, whew, we're almost done, guys. So, my hubby, and my mom actually, for my birthday, my hubby got this for me, obviously, and then he bought me cake and like all this other stuff, but this was the main present. It was so sweet of him. He got this K jewelry, this necklace right here for me. I'm actually wearing it right here. Let me show you. But it's so pretty. He got that for me. But for me, he got that for me as well. And then he also got this beautiful ring, this opal, beautiful, gorgeous, shiny ring. And thank you so much, Darren. I love you. You're probably not going to watch this video, but if you do one day, I love you, boy. And then my mom got this for me. So it was like a arm candy by Eye Candy Los Angeles deluxe collection. So it's actually, I'm wearing it today. Is this bracelet right here with little heart that my mom got for me. You can see it's so pretty, and I've been wearing it every single day since everyone got it for me. And thank you, it means so much to me, and I love you guys so much. And I love everyone. And then last thing that my mom got me is this beautiful beautiful purse. Oh, look at the chain on this thing. It's so pretty. Oops, sorry, my ugly ass armpit. But this is the chain, if you can see. Oh, but it's so pretty. I don't have anything like that. So I was super excited that she got that for me. That was really nice of her. So thank you, Mom. You came in clutch. But yeah. I think that's all for the haul, I guess. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I know I'm a little cuckoo, but that's okay. For anyone who actually waited till the end to watch this video, because I know not a lot of people watch my videos, and especially like some of the people that I think they would, they don't. So you know who I'm talking about. Just kidding, I'm not throwing shade, guys, but seriously, for those of you who actually do watch my videos, thank you so much for, you know, actually supporting me. I know, like, I don't have that many followers, but like, I really like doing makeup, fashion, and just beauty, and just, you know, making content, taking pictures, and like doing cosplays. Like, it's something that I really enjoy. So yeah, I just want to grow with you guys and just have, you know, more friends, you know, online and stuff. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and like I said, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is Simi_Violet_. Simi_Violet. How did I mess that up? I don't know, but yeah. And then, yeah, obviously subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, tag me in your recreations of some of my looks. And yeah, that's all for today, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one.